Good morning, students. Welcome back to poetry class. We have already completed the Darkling Thrush as it was in our class 12 syllabus, and along with the Darkling Thrush, one more poem from class 11 is also included into your pre-half yearly portion, and that is The Gift of India, alright, written by Sarojini Naidu. So the poem is already taught, so I will not go line to line. If it's required, I will be doing it in the live class. But in this video class, I will just try to point out certain facts regarding this particular poem. Alright. So as you all know, The Gift of India, it was written in 1915. Alright. We can say this poem is not merely a poem. It's rather an emotional rendering of a bleeding heart, that I can say. Okay. That poem, this poem actually, it's a depiction. A depiction of what? Depiction of the pitiful plight of the Indian soldiers, alright, who laid their lives down in the First World War, alright. But what is the irony? That is, there it is always means we will not means this sacrifice, since they have sacrificed their lives, means near about 10 lakh Indian soldiers they fought in the British, means under the British Indian Empire, and served in the Allied forces. And this particular sacrifice is always overlooked in the vast expanse of war history. Okay, so this sacrifice is, that means this sacrifice is never remembered in that manner. All right, so this student means this particular soldiers. Okay, this particular soldiers, near about 74,000 soldiers. They fought in different troops and different locations as well, and even they did not know about its consequence. That means the consequence was completely unknown to them. Still they fought for certain some different countries. Okay, and means they were rather, they did not know the consequence, as well as they were rather rewarded with certain false promises. And what was that? Of Indian independence. Okay, that was a bit from British government, they got this false promise. Okay, but their sacrifice, and even they did not know, as it is told, they did not even know about that they were fighting for some other person's benefit. Okay, so this selfless sacrifice that Indian soldiers made, that was, or this selfless sacrifice for the Western agitation, are rather captured in Naidu's poem. We can tell that this poem is rather a tribute to the contribution of Indian soldiers. Alright, and this poem not only concentrates on the sacrifice of the soldiers, but also the ultimate sacrifice that they have made for someone else's work. Along with that, this poem also talks about the numerous benefits that the foreign countries reaped from India. Okay, that is, the benefits are rather termed as gift of India. Okay, so the poet rather, as I told, the benefits that they reaped from India are referred as gifts here, that is given by Indian to the colonizers. Okay, so this is the main thing, means this is something I wanted to tell you all, and now each line's explanation is already explained, and I will be definitely doing it in the live class if it's required. And now, along with this, I wanted to convey that you need to go through both the poems minutely, and you need to prepare yourself for long questions. This situation will not remain forever. All right, so always the MCQ type question will not be there. So you need to take full preparation of 15 marks question. So next day onwards, I think by this note we can say that the part is covered. And now next week onwards, in your poetry class, you will get one link and you need to, in your worksheet section you will get a link, and you need to take revision test each day. It's applicable for drama, prose, poetry as well, and you need to at least try to write your own answer, and you need to submit it, and I think within the stipulated time. Of course, I think enough time is given for that, so do that. Do not neglect to write a complete answer, otherwise you all only will be in some trouble. Okay, so never stop practicing. Okay, so any kind of query or any sort of doubts will definitely be answered in the live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.